I ripped out Nginx, put Caddy in its place, automatic HTTPS, a 7-line config, and I am never going back. For years, the default reverse proxy meant fighting Certbot, renewals, and a wall of Nginx directives. Caddy is a Go web server that does HTTPS for you. Same job, less pain. A typical Nginx reverse proxy config stretches past 28 lines. Listen blocks, SL paths, headers, upstream, one typo and the whole site goes dark until you dig. The Caddyfile for the same setup lands near 7 lines. Domain, reverse proxy. Done. Caddy reads it, fetches certs, and keeps them fresh without a separate Certbot dance. Killer feature, automatic HTTPS. First request hits Caddy. It talks to Let's Encrypt or ZeroSSL certificate lands. Traffic upgrades. On-demand TLS and DNS challenges cover wildcards and Cloudflare setups too. 2026 benchmarks. Caddy is about 22% faster serving small files over HTTP2 and HTTP3 with QUIC. Nginx still wins memory, big media streams, and raw cold starts. Pick the race that matches your traffic. Honest catch, Caddy can use around 4 times the memory. Nginx zero copy still owns huge file streaming, and if you need the absolute leanest cold start on a tiny VPS, Nginx often still feels snappier. Stripe scale edge stacks, and Wikipedia-class serving still lean Nginx where it hurts. For self-host and modern apps where config time is the tax, Caddy is the default iShip. Automatic TLS wins more weeks than microbenchmarks. Replace the circuit loop. Like and subscribe for more stack swaps that stick.